Hello, welcome to the 3-day weather forecast. I am Paul Ugbah. As we gradually say goodbye to the rainy season, we expect the northern parts of the country to be drier, while the belt of rainfall is expected to shift further southwards towards the coastal areas. This morning on Wednesday, the satellite imagery shows areas around the northern parts of the country with thick dust haze and deterioration of horizontal visibility to less than 1,000 meters in places like Kano, Katsina, Guzo areas. We expect that the new dust plume seen over the south region will further propagate towards the country and transport dust, which will further deteriorate horizontal visibility over the northern parts of the country. And so for the rest of Wednesday, we expect sunny conditions to prevail over most parts of the north and central states in dust haze, while horizontal visibility is expected to be kept between 800 to 2,000 meters. Partly cloudy conditions are expected to prevail over the inland cities of the south, while thunderstorms are expected to affect parts of Calabar in Cross River State, Uyo and Eket in Akwa Ibom State, Yenagoa in Bayelsa State, and Ijebode in Ogun State. For our maximum and minimum temperature forecast, we expect the highest value of 36 in Taraba State and 35 degrees Celsius in Adamawa State. We also expect 33 degrees Celsius in Sokoto during the day and 19 at night, while the lowest temperature is expected over Jos Plateau State at 27 degrees Celsius during the day and 13 degrees at night. Over the southern parts of the country, we expect to see values in the range of 33 degrees Celsius in parts of Asaba, Ondo State, and also part of Ogun and Lagos areas. For our air quality forecast, places that appear in orange are expected to be unhealthy for sensitive group of persons, while places that appear in orange are expected to have a moderate air quality index without serious threats to the health of persons over these areas. By Thursday, we expect thick dust haze to prevail over most of the north, with a further deterioration of horizontal visibility to values less than 1,000 meters in places like Kano and Katsina State, while moderate dust haze is expected to prevail over the central parts of the country, talking about Niger State, the FCT, Nasarawa, and also parts of Benue State. We expect partly cloudy conditions to prevail over the inland cities of the south, with prospects for thunderstorms in parts of Ijebode in Ogun State and also in parts of Yenagoa in Bayelsa State, as well as Uyo, Eket, and Calabar in Cross River and Akwa Ibom States. For our temperature forecast, we expect a slight increase in temperature over some places in the north. However, Adamawa and Taraba states are expected to maintain values of 35 degrees Celsius during the day, while Taraba is expected to be 19 at night. We expect the FCT to be 34 degrees Celsius during the day and 20 at night, while Jos is expected to be 28 during the day and 12 degrees at night. Towards the southern parts of the country, Asaba is expected to be 33 during the day and 26 at night, while Ogun State is expected to be 33 degrees Celsius. For our air quality forecast, we still expect places that appear in orange to be considered unhealthy for sensitive group of persons, while places that appear in yellow are expected to have a moderate air quality index without serious threat to the health of persons living around these areas. By Friday, we expect sunny conditions to prevail over most parts of the north and central Nigeria in moderate dust haze, with a likelihood of a slightly improved horizontal visibility, while the inland cities of the south are still expected to experience partly cloudy conditions. There are prospects for thunderstorms over the southeastern coast of Calabar and Uyo Eket areas of Akwa Ibom State, as well as Bayelsa and River States, and also Ijebode in Ogun State. For our temperature forecast, a slight increase in temperature is expected over Sokoto to about 36 degrees Celsius during the day, while night temperature is expected to be 19 degrees Celsius. we expect Kano to be 32 degrees Celsius during the day and 12 degrees Celsius at night. Abuja, the FCT, is expected to be 33 degrees Celsius during the day and 20 degrees Celsius at night, while the southern parts of the country we expect places around Ikom to be 33 degrees Celsius during the day and 22 at night. For our air quality forecast, we still expect places that appear in orange color to be unhealthy for sensitive group of persons, while places that appear in yellow are considered to have moderate air quality index without serious threat to the health of persons living around these areas. This is where we'll conclude our 3-day weather forecast for today. Thanks for watching and see you again.